Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do a fun little program to create directories and delete them. But before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. So, first of all, we're going to import the time module. And we're going to import the OS module into Python, and we're going to create our first function, which is called make directory 1 or make make directory 1. Okay, so we're going to do a time.sleep. So this is going to give us a little bit of a pause in the program for 2 seconds, so we can clearly see what's happening when I show it to you. So I'm going to use os.mkdir, which stands for make directory. And we're going to make the directory in a certain place on Windows. So I'm going to make it on my desktop, so I have to type in the file my desktop. So this is going to be make directory, it's going to be users, and this is my own particular desktop. So when you're doing this, you have to find the exact path to your desktop, because if you type this in on your computer, it won't be the same. Okay, so that's the desktop. And the directory I'm going to do is going to be called directory 1. Okay, so that's what we're going to create there. We're going to make a directory called directory 1 on the desktop. And then we're going to do make directory 2 here, which is going to be another function below. So define make directory 2. Okay, kitty cat. There's the cat there. Okay, she's gone now. Okay, so this is going to be time.sleep. Again, it's going to be 2 seconds so we can see what's going on. And sorry, it's not make directory, it's going to be remove directory. No, it's not. It's going to be make directory. I'm going to make 2 directories on here. Sorry about that. So this is make directory 2, and we're going to give it a pause. So we're going to create 2 directories. I've just decided. Okay, looks better. So os.mkdir make directory. Again, we're going to do the path, which is going to be C:/ users, and this one here is for my computer. It will be different on your computer, so you will have to check that. Desktop, and then the name of the second directory, which is going to be D2 or directory 2. Okay, and now we're going to remove the directories. So this is going to be remove dir1, remove directory 1, and we're going to create the function underneath, which is called remove dir1, remove directory 1. Okay, so right, so we're going to give it a little bit of a pause because we want to see this program in action. We want to see it clearly working. So this is going to be time.sleep again, and we're going to pause it for 2 seconds, and we're going to use os.rmdir, which is remove directory. Of course, we're going to tell it the directory where it's got to go, so that's going to be C:/. colon / users / and desktop, and we're going to remove directory 1, so that's going to be D1 there. So that's the directory we're going to remove, and then we're going to create the next function, which is going to be called remove directory 2. I'm going to create this down here, define, and then that's going to be called remove directory 2. Okay, time.sleep. Again, we're going to pause it for 2 seconds. Okay, and I'm just going to copy this from here and paste it to be quicker. So copy that from there, and I'm just going to paste it to here. Okay, so we're going to change this because it's going to be removing directory 2. Just alter that there, and then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to create another function called again. So we're going to create that under here. So define again. Okay, so that's going to be underneath there. And what this is going to do, it's going to go up to the top here again, and we're going to repeat the whole process so we can see it happening over and over again. So that's going to be make dir1, and then we're going to call it, so it's going to be make dir1, and we're going to call it. So hopefully we've not made any typos there, so let's have a look. 1 directory 2. Okay, we're going to save this, and then we're going to quickly run the program. So we're going to start it running now, and I'll show you. Let's have a look at the desktop. Okay folks, had a little bit of a problem there because I thought I was on my other computer, so the path was slightly different. So remember that I was on my other computer when I wrote this, so I'm just going to change it for this computer. Okay. Okay, just change the path slightly there, because when I did this I was working on my other computer at work. So let's run the module. Let's just drop this down. Let's have a look at the desktop. There we go. Directory 1, directory 2. Directory 1 deleted, directory 2 deleted. Directory 1 made, directory 2 made, directory 1 deleted, directory 2 deleted, directory 1 made, because it's just going in a loop over and over again. So I hope you enjoyed that program, and let me just switch it off. Let me just close it there. So if you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.